All eyes are on sections of flood-prone areas in Portland this evening as intermittent showers inundate several communities. Residents say some areas have been experiencing at least 2 weeks of rainfall, weakening soil and resulting in landslides and blocked roads. Deputy Mayor and Councillor for the Parish Division, Ruan Vassal, spoke to TVJ News via cell phone earlier today.
There's a landslide that's on the Canewood Land Settlement Road. That's a road right at the Canewood Playfield, just beside the Canewood Playfield, just above the Canewood Playfield. So there's a landslide there. So that needs to be cleared. There's also reports of a landslide that came down on the Ski Bum Main Road. All right, but I think they have been working to clear that as well.
Now, Parish disaster authorities are hoping that waters subside quickly, but warn that if rains continue overnight, the flooding could worsen. Several vehicles had difficulty maneuvering flood waters throughout the day, and flooding or landslides have been reported in Bangeridge, Chantilly, Long Road, Manchonil, Hector's River, Hope Bay, Plum Valley, and Dobson Housing Scheme in Buff Bay.
So the areas are flood-prone areas, especially in the Swift River area. We have had some indication of flooding there, especially in the crossroads section of Swift River. There are other areas that have been flooded, especially roadways, but as the rain dissipates, the water at times will drop.